I came into poultry industry in 1986. Poultry Federation of India was started in 1988. So I am one of the founder members of Poultry Federation of India. My current role in Poultry Federation of India is as a joint secretary. All Poultry Federation of India team, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, Vice President Headquarter, Mr. Ravinder Sandhu, Secretary, Mr. Rahul Trairar, and all executive committee members are doing a great job under the leadership of our dynamic president, Mr. Ranpal Singh Bittu Dhanda. So he is our guiding force, and all PFI members are doing a good job. And as a joint secretary, I'm follow up with the Ministry, Government of Agriculture, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Food Processing, and follow for the sake of farmer, because Poultry Federation of India is an association in which all poultry farmers, breeders, integrators, feed millers and equipment manufacturers and all those allied industries related directly or indirectly to poultry industry are associated. So our association works as a team for the sake of poultry industry.
Industry, how
Yeah,
it's going
when
on and
we
what is the
talk
future?
about data, at present the broiler placement is 5.5 billion per year. When we talk about layer, it's 300 million layers per annum. We talk about breeding stock, it's around 55 million per year placement, and there is a rural poultry also, especially in the northeast area and Bihar, which is around 30 million rural poultry. When we talk about per capita consumption, it's still very less if we compare with the international standard. Our per capita income is only 103x per person per annum, and we talk about broiler, it's only 7.4 kg per person per annum. So we feel that the Indian poultry industry has been expanding 8 to 10% per annum from last decade, and we are hopeful that it will continue to do so in the coming years also. As I mentioned, poultry industry is expanding 7 to 8% per annum minimum. Private player expect 8 to 10% growth per annum. But when we talk about agriculture growth, like when we talk about corn and soybean growth, the agriculture growth is only 1 to 2%. So in the coming years, there is going to be a mismatch about the demand and supply. I don't think so that the Indian growers, farmers will be able to get corn and soybean meal in the coming year, because 8 to 10% growth is poultry industry, agriculture growth is only 1 to 10%. So government has to open up with GM soybean meal and corn. It's just a matter of time. And once we get GM corn and soybean meal, our cost of feed production will go down because feed will be cheaper, and then we can also compete in the international market. We have got a very good market of Middle East and about Southeast Asia for eggs and frozen chicken. So right now we cannot compete you because our cost of production is high. But I'm sure once the GM soybean meal and corn is allowed, our cost of production will go down and we'll be able to compete in the international market. See, Poultry Federation of India, this is 36th AGM this year. We had been doing earlier in Chandigarh, in Goa, in Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Delhi, metro cities. But now we want to reach to regional player, because poultry is expanding, especially integration in every corner. And so we want to touch rural areas also. We selected Poultry Federation of India team suggested Lucknow because it's close to Bihar, Jharkhand, which is upcoming and future market. And we want that the farmers of Uttar Pradesh and other areas should also get benefit. So our entire team decided, and now we are going to have this grand meeting under the presidentship of Mr. Ranpal Singh Dhanda, our president, and we all are very hopeful. We appreciate the support we received from sponsoring companies. I'm very happy to share with you that more than 100 companies, which includes equipment manufacturer, pharmaceutical companies, feed millers, breeding farm, which are one of the sponsors of this 36th AGM being organized at Hotel Ramada in Lucknow And through your channel, I invite all the farmers, breeders, and all those who are related to poultry industry to kindly join us at our 36th AGM being organized in Lucknow from October 8 to 9. Thank you. Spas is one of the, I feel, biggest poultry, dairy, aquaculture show in this planet. I've been coming to this Spas exhibition from last couple of years, and every year it's growing. This year also there are more than 1200 exhibitors from 42 countries, and when we talk about visitors, the trade visitors are 100,000, 1 lakh visitors from 90 countries, which makes Spas one of the biggest poultry show in this planet. And I'm sure I met exchange. There is a good delegation this time from India also. And while talking to some of the exhibitors, they are also very happy because response is very good. I congratulate to the Spas team on an excellent arrangements because their hospitality is great.